we're going to make an Earth Day mosaic. A mosaic is when you take little pieces of paper like this, these are called tessera, and you put them together to make a piece of artwork. You can also use glass or a lot of different objects to put together, but we're using paper because it's the most safe for kindergarten hands. All right, these little tesseras come in lots of different colors. We're going to put them into patterns. Right now, I'm laying out a couple of patterns that you might recognize. Okay, take very close look at these patterns. I'm putting down 3 different patterns that you might be learning about in math class right now. Let your brain work on that. Okay, let's figure out the 3 patterns. How about that first one? It's an A-B pattern. Say the A-B pattern with me. Red, green, red, green, red, green. Yeah, good job. The next one is an A-B-C pattern. Yellow, red, purple. Yellow, red, purple. Yellow, red, purple. How about this last pattern? It's an A-B-B pattern. Orange, black, black. Orange, black, black. Orange, black, black. We're going to use a paper plate for our substrate. That means the base. And there's a ribbon, and that's where the top of our artwork is going to be. We are going to use a blue and green circle. That is going to be the earth. And then there's all our wonderful tessera that we're going to use to put onto our mosaic. You will need some kind of glue. I think a liquid glue works the best, but if you have a glue stick, that will work too. The first thing you're going to do is decide where your earth is going to be on the substrate or the base. So go ahead and kind of look, where am I going to put that earth? For me, I think I'm going to put that directly in the center of the paper plate. I'll use my glue to very carefully go around the edge of my circle, and I'm going towards the edge. And even if I go off the edge a little bit, it's best to go to the edge so that I make sure that my circle is going to stick really well. I place it down, I'm thinking about how I'm going to place it, and I let my hands rest. This takes some time. I can count to 10 as my hands just rest on that circle, making sure that all the sides stick down nice and tight. All right, now we're going to get the tessera out, and we're going to put our tessera around our earth and around the rest of the paper plate using the patterns we just talked about. So I'm going to lay a couple out before I actually start gluing them down. Can you guess what pattern I'm making right now? Watch very carefully. Do you have a guess? If you're thinking an A-B pattern, you're absolutely correct. Here's what I like to do. I like to lay out little tiny drops of glue, kind of doing a bunny hop along the earth here, making little drops of glue that I'm going to put my tessera on top. So I'm going to put my yellow, red, yellow, red. Now I'm going to move this into fast motion so that you can see me working quickly, but you can see that my hands are working hard. And this took a lot more time. I did one A-B pattern. Then I made an A-B-B pattern. I decided to do all my BBs and then go back and add all my A's. You can do it in a different method if you would like. This last one, I'm adding an A-B-C pattern around my earth. All right, there it is. I have created a pattern around my earth using tessera. This turns out to be an amazing pattern mosaic. and it's very beautiful to display for Earth Day.